Hello viewers, welcome back to MuleSoft-TechZone. This is Shravan Lingam. This is in a continuation of our series like how to become a Agentforce champion. So in our previous video, we have seen like how to build a service agent with Agentforce. As I said, like these will be like lengthy videos because I am doing along with you. So you can pause the video and just follow the steps if you have any questions, or like if you feel like you are comfortable, you can just fast forward the video and go to the next steps. So today we are going to see the next one, the next project, that is connect data cloud to Agentforce and prompt builder. So before going into this step or this task, I would like to say, like, most of the time probably in this video I'll be like silent, just go through the instructions and just do the task. And please note that like you have to read the instructions, you need to understand the steps, whatever is there. I'm not going to do that in this video. All right, so let's get started. So I am going to going back again, like become an agent blazer champion. So click on connect data cloud to Agentforce and prompt builder. So the first step is get started with the data cloud and AI. So please learn the learning objectives and all this stuff here. I'm just directly going here. So this badge requires new custom data playground, so you can always click on this, click on like create playground. Again, you will get the password reset email in a while. Just go through these instructions and all. I think for this particular module, you just need to create the playground once we get that email. So I got an email again, so click on this reset password. Okay, I'm giving my password. Okay, then change password. This will be a new username for you. All right, so you are here, so go back here. You can see here the password was sent, and that's it. Like you can just connect to playground, login, sorry. So what you can do is go back here, go back to your Agentforce, this one, just copy this, blah blah blah, and connect with the playground. So you can put like paste it here. It's always good to copy paste the username, because like this username that was there earlier was a older one. So because like remember, for our previous task we have used another username. So whenever it asks you to create a new one, please create and try to use that when you are verifying that. So yep, this is done. So you can launch and then click on verify this step to earn this badge for 100 points. Again, while I'm verifying this step, yep, this is done. So go to the next step. So here also, like you can see, like more or less we have some kind of task that we need to do. I'm not going to explain each and everything, I'm just going to follow the steps. If there is something that that is that you need any attention, I will probably explain at that part of the video like what needs to be done. Apart from that, please read all the instructions here, and let me click launch now. So it will take you to the home page of Coral Cloud Resort. We are using the same example. So to accomplish this, what we need to do is like make data cloud aware of all this stuff. So read this story here, enable data streams, how to do that, the mapping, blah blah blah, create data streams and all. So first step, if you haven't already launched your data cloud, click on launch, that we have done. Now app launcher, type data, so I'm copy this and click data cloud app, go here. So app launcher is this one, you can see this icon is app launcher, search for data and click on data cloud. So this will take you to the data cloud page here, and then in the data stream tabs, click new. So where is the data streams? The data streams is here, so click on new here. let me close, yeah. And then we were asked to select this Salesforce CRM next and AI plus data. So Salesforce CRM next, or let me check if I have missed. Click here on, okay, then click the AI plus data. So AI plus data is here, that is the custom bundle that you have here. Click on next. Then notice that the fields are pre-selected and all fields are there. Please read all these steps carefully. Leave the section as is and click on next. So let's wait for that. Please don't forget to read the instructions step by step. All right. So it will take some time. It is loading this data stream. This is the custom bundle, AI plus data. Again, guys, I wanted to let you know that these steps these steps can change over days because they try to improve the trailer horse. They always try to improve the course for better visibility, or better instructions. So please don't forget that. So they said like the select the some of the fields are selected, pre-selected, so you don't have to do anything. Just click on next and then verify success for the new trims. So then click deploy. So let me see here, deploy. And they ask like if you get an error message, it is unable to deploy the data stream. Click on deploy again. Let's see if it is able to deploy or not. So we need to refresh the page and see if these three are like success or not. All right. So the what we are doing is the data stream usually ingests the sample records quickly, so you shouldn't have to wait long. However, occasionally it might take up to 15 minutes for the last run status to show success and show numbers greater than 0 in the total run. You may refresh your browser windows every few minutes. These streams need to say success and show numbers, okay, to in the following step 3. So you can see here the refresh mode here. So let me refresh it. So the type, this is like in ingest stream type. Last run should be like success. Okay. So let me keep refreshing it. Refresh the page in the browser. All the streams need to be success for last run status. Let me go to all data streams, refresh this. It will take some time, so let's wait for that. We didn't get any error message here in this step. So I have paused the video because it took me like around like 5 minutes to load this data. So if I kept retrying this and I got the last run status as success, and you can see that the records have been loaded. Like you can see like last process records like 45, 25, 4 or total records and all this stuff. So it might take for you like it might take more time, or it could be like immediate. So just wait for like 15 minutes. If not, you can just rerun the steps again. All right, now you can see here I have the total records like 44, 24, 3 as showed in the screenshot. Looks good for our next step. So set up identity resolution here. So click the identity resolution tab. So go back here. There is identity resolution tab here. Click on that. Click on new and create the new rule set. So click on new rule set. Next, go back, follow the steps, leave default selected in the data space menu. For a primary demo, choose individual. So default as data space, and for this one click on individual. Then enter CC ID for the rule set ID. So let me put like CC ID here. Click on next. Then enter the rule set name, so guest name and email. These are the rule sets. So and then copy paste the description. So reconcile reserve omatic contact data with Salesforce contact data. All right. So put the description here, and then disable this run jobs immediate automatically. So disable this one. So even like very small, you know, steps you should not forget. Okay, run jobs automatically is disabled. The other ones is like enabled. So don't get confused here. Click on save, and the framework of the rule set is saved. Now it's time to set up how matching is done. So click on configure here. So let's go to this tab again. While this is getting saved, I wanted to reiterate that this part, this step, it will take like 5 to 10 to 15 minutes, or for some folks it might be like faster, even faster. So don't worry about it, you keep refreshing it. So yep, we are here, and it is asking you to configure now. That's what it is showing here. So click on configure here, go back, so click on next, click configure. So next, click matching rule 1, configure, then choose fuzzy name and normalized email. Fuzzy name and normalized email, that's done. This determines the primary pieces of data that are used for matching. Then click next, next, save. Okay, so next, keep as is, next, keep as is, save. So go back here, so click run rule set in the upper right corner. So run rule set, here's upper right corner is here. The instructions are very clear, so please follow them. Click on run rule set, I have done that. So your rule set job is running. So don't click, like sometimes the UI is like weird. So when I clicked on rule set, it's not changing any style here. So just click once and wait for this pop up. So that is done. Refresh your browser to see the last job run showing in progress or succeeded. So as I took some time, if I refresh it, where does it show? So last run job is still in progress. All right, that is the status. Excellent. Now the data cloud knows how to detect when two individuals are actually the same person using your rule set. Okay, it should match basically the user. Okay, and next, your organization has a few dozens of guests and contacts that will match. To learn more about this, go to this module. Now verify external reservation relationships. So click on the data model tab. Where do we have data model tab? Here. So this is all data cloud. Okay, within data cloud you have all this data explorer, identity resolutions, all this stuff. So now we are in data model tab, and then click external reservation. So external reservation is here. Then ensure the relationship is there. If not, click on edit. So relationships, that's what they are saying. Ensure a relationship is there. I hope it is there. If not, they said like to so ensure a relationship is there. If not, click edit. Okay, so let me see if this is what. Check show inactive relationship box. I think this is not the one. So yeah, so I went to the relationships tab. All right, so if I refresh this and go to the relationships tab, I don't see any relationship present, so I'm clicking on edit as they said, and check the show inactive relationship box. I'm clicking on this. Then if an inactive external contact ID appears, toggle this to active to on. I see it. Okay, external reservation individual, I'm clicking on active. So if nothing appears, click on the new relationship, but there is something appeared. Okay, if you are not able to see this part, click on new relationship and do this part, cardinality and east one and all this stuff. For me it is there. If it is not there for you, then just toggle this one active and save and close. So let's wait for this to process again. For the relationship, so this step, if you're not clear, like ensure a relationship is there, so you're clicking on the relationships tab. If you don't find anything, click on edit, then show inactive, and then just add. All right, so it is taking some time to add it. Let me just refresh it and go back to relationships again. It's still loading. I can see the object in the background, it is grayed out, but it is still loading. So we are good. Next thing is connect data cloud and crm with enrichment. Okay, so read all the instructions. I will just directly go to this steps setup icon. While I'm doing this, what I can do is like click on setup object manager. So click on setup, it will open a new tab. While it is still running here, the object status is in processing state. Keep refreshing and check. It's still in processing, so let it take time. We can proceed further. So go back here, go to object manager. So object manager is here. Again, people who are familiar with Salesforce, you know where object manager is, but people who are like dedicated to MuleSoft or who don't know Salesforce, please note all these steps. Okay, you will find the object manager in the setup tab. Then go to the contact, not contact. There, the instructions are very very clear. Okay, so go to contact here. So we have contact. Sometimes there is also like contract. So don't go to contract. Go to contact. Then click data cloud related list. Click on this tab. Just close this pop-up, click on new. You can close this pop-up as well. Click on new here, then choose external reservation. So external reservation is here, that is the data cloud object. Update the child relationships names to reservation. Let me copy this. So first I need to go next. So child relationships names should be like reservations. Then click on next. And okay, the data cloud list exists, but it's not yet on any page layout. So back updates the lightning page record for you the contact. In the left menu, click lightning record pages. So let me first go here, reservations, click next. In the left menu, lightning record pages. So let me go to next again. Yeah, lightning record pages, here it is. Click contact record page. Yes, I will click on this. Meanwhile, let me refresh this. Keep on checking. It's still processing, that's fine. So we are here. So contact record page, edit, drag dynamic related list single into related tab just above the opportunities. So what I should do is click on edit here. This will take you to the prompt lightning app builder. It's not the Agentforce builder, but it's lightning app builder. So they are asking us to add this dynamic related list single on about the opportunities. So here is the opportunities. I will be placing this dynamic related list about the opportunities here. So you can see all your opportunities are like popped up here. So that is done. In the right menu under the related list, choose reservation. When I dragged this one on the right menu, close all these pop-ups. In this right one in the related list, so what they were saying, under the related list, this one here, choose reservation. So where is related list? This one is the related list here, right? So choose reservations is what they are talking here. So related list, let me choose use this contact reservations. Okay, that somehow it is showing like external reservation which is supposed to have reservation. Under related list fields, under related list fields here, click add field and find select check-in date. So add field, check-in date, done. Then repeat 6 to 8 for all these types. So checkout date, room type, and reservation status. So add checkout date, done. Reservation status, done. So check out room type as well. So add field, room type, done. Just to be like keeping it in order, I am just dragging that. So you can see all these fields are popping up here: check-in date, checkout, room type, and reservation status. All right, so that is done. Delete the record id field which is not required. This is the default one which we got, so I'm just deleting it. Now you can see like this external reservation is having check-in, checkout, room type, and reservation status. Somehow it should actually like show these reservation tab like child relationship name, but somehow it has, the label was not changed. Let's see if it is important or not. For operator, choose not equal to. So operator, where is that? So add filter, we need to add the filter. So in the under related list filter, under related filter, add filter, choose what is the field that they asked to do? Check-in date. So check-in date, and then not equal to. In other words, if checking date is empty, show the reservation. If a filter is not, only the past, blah 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 blah. Okay, just not equal to, click on done. Okay, so then click save. So here it is, save. I'm saving it. All right, this is saved, and close the Lightning App Builder browser tab to return to the Data Cloud tab. So I will click and return to Data Cloud tab. Yep, excellent. So you can see like excellent, the data cloud, blah blah blah. Click the identity resolution tab. So better go here and click on identity. You can see the last job status is like succeeded, and source profiles are 44 and these are like 24. So the rule set name is guest name and email. All right, that's what it is saying, like it is succeeded. All right, now click on the app launcher and click on sales. So let me go to app launcher and then like sales, and then contacts tab, list view, contacts tab, and then list views here, and click on recently viewed, which I'm not able to see. Select all contacts, contacts tab is here, list view is here. So list view, view all contacts, here it is. Then search for Sophia. So this is one. So Sophia, so this is the contact that they are asking us to search, and then click Sophia. Yes, I'm clicking this. Sophia should have 3 reservations now appearing on the right inside of the contact page layout. So let me see if it has 3 contacts. So such this, so should have 3 reservation now appear on right of the contact page layout. There is nothing quite like a plan. So there is nothing much to do. You can just click on like verify the step and see if you have done everything right. If this is showing like success, then we are good with what we have done. If sometimes you might see like if there is any step that you're not following right, if you have not added properly, it will show an error saying like you haven't followed this step, or you need to complete this step. That will show you correctly. All right. Done. So we are good with this one as well. So we have done with this task. So now that we have completed connecting to the data cloud part, so I will go to this step again. Like you can see, we have completed these two steps, and the next one is like enhance Agentforce to act on data with conversational language. So click on launch, close all the other tabs whenever you are performing a new module, new task. All right. I'm read everything. Okay, that is very important. I'm directly going to these steps. So it is asking to go to app launcher, type flows. I'm going to app launcher, flows, click on flows. So then after clicking on flows, select all flows. By default it will always show recently viewed. Click on all flows here, then copy this flow name here. Remember in our previous video we have seen when we are adding some agent actions, whenever we choose the type as flows, there were some like flows which were automatically popped up. That is because they are already present, those flows are already generated. So now I am searching with this one. So click on this flow. All right, and click on open flow. This will take you to the flow builder. So how many builders we have seen so far? We have seen flow builder, we have seen Agentforce builder, we have seen the previous one, I forgot what was that, app launcher builder. Okay, lightning app builder, sorry. Yeah. So now here you are opening the flow, the click on the unified link one. I'm clicking on this, and then for the data source, select data cloud object. So you can dismiss this pop-ups. Under the data source, you select data cloud object, and data space leave it to like default. So click on default, and object, which object you need to select is unified link CCID that we have created previously. So search for this. Okay, this is done, and be sure to choose the right object. All right, there are few similar names, you have to be very careful while doing that. In the filtered record section, for field, choose individual ID. So filter record section, this one, choose which one, individual ID. So search for individual ID here. So I have selected that one. Then this is the actual name of the source ID column in the first table. For the value, choose contact record ID. So I'm copying this, I'm not typing it. So for the value, just paste it, it will be appearing here. So choose the contact record ID, and just click on save here. Once it is done, the flow has pinpointed the first record in the unified list. This. So next, do the same thing for unified link 2. Click on this, and then do the same thing, default individual CCID. So let me do the same stuff. This one, default, and what was the name for this? Unified link. So I'll just copy paste. That's always a good practice. This one, so done. And the field name, this time the field name is like unified ID. Okay, search for it, it should appear, it should definitely appear. Earlier it was individual ID, this time it is like unified individual ID, and the actual name is unified in the first table. For the value, copy paste this one. They are asking us to copy paste this one. So let me copy this, go back, don't copy the full stop over there, so just paste it. Done. All right, so it appears some, so that's the reason they have shown the screenshot. It appears something like this. So mine looks good. Then add condition, click on add condition. For field, choose data source. So add condition for field source like data source. Is it like data source or data source object? It's data source object. So this is the reason why you need to be more careful. It's data source object, starts with external. So this one it starts with and type external. Oops, I don't see external here. So for the value, this one, the data model is really got external reservation, blah 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 blah. So let me see if I copy paste this one. Yeah, just keep external, it is not popping up, just so you can just keep it like that here. Click on save. So that is done, we are good. Then click on the reservation one element. I am clicking on the reservation one element. Do the same thing for object, choose this one. So it's data cloud, then default, then this one as the reservation, external reservation. Then choose the contact ID. So I'll go here, oops, contact ID, that should be value this. So let me copy this one, so paste it. Then for sort order, choose descending. We are using different stuffs here, so just be careful while you're doing this. Descending and check-in date, so it should be check-in date. There are like two, check-in date and check-in date. We are using check-in date underscore underscore c. So come out of this and click on save. So we are like saving, this is like a flow, so we keep saving. Then I think what's next, click on the event summary stuff. So event summary here, so do the same stuff, copy value and copy paste this one is what they are saying. So let me copy this. And then for value, they are asking for value. Where is the value here? So I am pasting here. All right, so this is what they wanted us to do. Copy paste this, click outside the value box on this and save it. I clicked out and click on save. That is done. And now you need to activate your flow. So I am done. Click on activate, just verify. So this is in active status, and what they are asking is like close the flow tab. I really don't know like how to close the flow tab, but let me just close this. This is what they are meaning. So that is great job. Click on the setup icon again. So click on setup, just follow the instructions and go to Einstein sales, Einstein setup here. So Einstein setup, this is here. Then turn on the Einstein, that's what they are trying to say. And in the quick find box, type Einstein sales. So once you have, again, like I try to turn on all of them. Remember this we have done for our previous username, so this is a different username, so you have to do it again. How to choose the usernames, you can see like this is the username, right? So you got another email to reset your password, so that is what it is saying. Next they are asking to search for Einstein sales. Click on Einstein sales, then Einstein sales, then click Einstein for sales. Okay, this one they wanted, and then they want to turn on, yep. So are they asking us to turn on the sales switch enable? Okay, done. Refresh your browser. So refreshing my browser, looks good. And then quick find, type agents, and let me take Agentforce agents. Okay, now I am in this screen. It probably they might be asking us to toggle this turn off. You should remember that we have done this in our previous module to build a service agent. This is like now sales agent. So in our service agent you might have seen like there were already 3 agents created, but this is a different one, different playground with a different username, so you won't be able to see that. So good. Then refresh it is what they were asking. So perform like each and every step like as they were saying. click on the actions tab. Where is the actions tab? Before going to actions tab, agent for, oh, now we have to go to Agentforce assets. Agentforce assets, click on that. Actions tab is that they were asking us to do, and click on new agent action. Remember we have done this one. Click on new Agentforce action. So we have like different types here. Click on flow, then referenced action, which one they were asking. For reference action, choose create check-in guest event. So create this one, click on next. We have seen this in our previous step. All right, so take a moment to read everything. So deselect loading text, this we have already done. Then required output, show in conversation, that's what probably they are asking us to do. Yes, the same steps. Click on finish, and then your new action is finished, but you need to add it to the Agentforce. Now that we have created our agent action, but all the what we need to do is like we need to add that into the Agentforce. Okay, go to agent here and search for Agentforce agents. Yep, and then click on new. So click Einstein Copilot or Agentforce by default. Enable Agentforce agent. This is something I haven't seen. Probably if you forgot to do this in the previous step, please enable it, because you will be able to see that this one. Probably you will be having either Einstein Copilot, or if you have like Agentforce default, use that one. For me, I have like Einstein Copilot. So click on that Agentforce. All right, and then open in the builder. Now we are in the Agentforce builder. Back to square one. Remember we had this topics blah 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 blah. So let me pull this here. So now let's go and open and ensure the agent is not active. If it shows deactivation button, click deactivate. So click on deactivate. This is very important. All right, so now I have deactivated that. In the topics, click new and select asset from library. In our previous video, like in the topics, we clicked on like new topic here, but here we are choosing from asset library. Okay, we are picking the existing ones. Then check the general CRM box and click on finish. General CRM box is here. Click on finish. We have added this topic here, and then click new version at the bottom. So this is the general CRM. Before that, what it was asking, click general CRM. Okay, click new version at the bottom, save. I don't see any like new version at the bottom. Let me refresh. Yeah, so you have to first click general CRM here, then you will find the new version. Click on new version and click on save. That's what they were asking to do. So we have done that. From the topics, click general CRM again. Now you can see, because this is a new version, it is showing as new. Click on general CRM again. Then this topic actions, go to the topic actions. You can see there are topic actions already added for you. Okay, these are different topic actions. I told you for each topic there can be different topic actions. So these are the actions that will happen when that particular topic is chosen. Okay, so now we are again like adding one more. Click on new. Click the this topic action, click on new, add asset from library. So I'm going to add, this time the action is being, I'm not creating a new action, I'm adding an existing action from the library. Create new action, create check-in. So create check-in, this one, add this and click on finish. That means what we are doing, we are adding this particular flow into our actions, because we have, remember, we have made some changes to that flow. That is done. Now refresh your browser. Okay. Let's see if our action is added. Let's go back to, yep, it is there. Perfect. Now click activate. Simple. It's very simple step. It is activated. Close the Agentforce Builder tab. So I'm closing the Agentforce Builder tab. Leave it. You are in the Sales app. Now in the Sales app, Contacts tab. So where is our sales? If you don't know where the sales is, here it is. Or if you don't know, or if you have already closed, all that you can do is go here, search for sales, click on this tab, all right, and select contacts here, and in that Sophia is here. All right, so Sophia, navigate to Sophia, refresh the browser window. So navigate to Sophia and refresh. Click the Agentforce icon to open the Agentforce panel. So this is the icon that they were speaking about, Agentforce icon. So I'm clicking on this. There will be a chatbot available for you. So in the panel, just copy this. I'm just asking, hey, check in Sophia. Click on enter. Now what happens in the background, the actions, the agent action steps, whatever agent actions that are there under a topic will be performed. So it's saying, hey, great, check-in has been completed, check-in date, blah 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 blah. So go back here. After a few moments, the agent should respond with check-in is complete along with some details of the check-in, the guest event showed. Scroll down to find the guest events in the checklist. So here you can see, okay, the guest event is already created. Okay, so click on this. You can see all my details like contact, check-in details, check-in date of, room type, and all, everything is there here. So this is what we need to do for this particular step. Let me verify this. Again, please go through all the instructions and step by step. Just if you feel like it is too slow, you can just fast forward and you can increase your the playback speed. So this is complete, this is wonderful. So let's go to the next module. So go to the tackle next step. I think this is the final one. Let's see if it is final one or not. Click on like connect data cloud to Agentforce and prompt builder. Yes, it is the final one and it should be a simple one. So click on launch. And I have launched it. Go to the steps. So this is pretty simple. I'm going fast forward. So click on setup and type prompt. So go on to setup, close the other tabs here, search for like prompt. So prompt builder, and then click on new prompt builder, prompt template. Remember when we were asked to choose the agent actions, there were like many types, like we were asked to select either a flow or prompt template or apex or API. So there are different ways to choose. So we am doing like new prompt template now. From the prompt template, choose like sales email, and then you can so please follow the same naming conventions here, because that is, those are used to verify your modules or your tasks. So put it here, and API name, copy. Usually API name is like auto populated. If not, just best practice is to copy paste. Then description type is like check-in welcome email. For related object, choose guest event. Done. We are good. You can verify this with your screenshot that is provided here. Click on next. They say like, for the sake of time, instead of writing a prompt from scratch, just use the one Becca has been working on. All right, so paste this into the prompt. So just copy everything, this part, copy this part, paste into the prompt here. All right, now when I have done, the UI was a bit different, the instructions were a bit different for this particular step. Okay, this is like an enhanced version, like insert resources. This is what I observed. So you can see all of this stuff like input, all these are like dynamic values. Whatever you see on the blue color icons, those values will become. You are a receptionist for a Coral Cloud Hotel. Your name is, for example, if it is sender is Shravan, your name is Shravan with phone number, my phone number, email, all that stuff. All right, so click on save and activate. Perfect. So once this is done, we need to test our work. Okay, notice that Becca's prompt includes multiple merge fields which are colored in blue. One guest event details, this one blue. Okay, so test your work. You need to test your work now. So for that, what you need to do is go back here, go close the setup tab of the apps, go to contacts page. So I don't have any other tab open, but I think that this is a tab, never mind. So instead of closing, I can go like click on setup, then go to like contacts, maybe not here, sorry. um Give me a second. Contacts tab, setup tab to sales app. This is sales app, so I need to go to sales app. You will find the contacts tab here. Go to Sophia and you will see an email icon here. That's what they are asking. It's under the activity tab. So click on this email. All right, so draft with Einstein, click on that and use pre-made instruction, choose check-in welcome. So there is draft with Einstein option. All right, so use pre-made instruction. Remember this, we have created check-in welcome, use that one. And I think we need to use the GE record. Okay, so this one. All right, click on continue, done and send. Continue analyzing your request. So welcome dear Sophia, welcome to blah blah blah, your reservation is confirmed. We have, you can see all this stuff, it is auto generated with the data that is having from the data cloud. So click on done and send. Perfect, I got an email, you can check here. It's like, hey dear the contact sender, welcome to Coral Cloud, we are pleased to invite you as guest, blah 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 blah, and this is done. Perfect, I have my email ID. You can see that phone number, there is no phone number associated to, you know, that contact. Probably what I can do is open in the new link tab. Yeah, here there is like probably the phone number. Okay, that's the thing, so just verify it. So please follow the instruction steps. So almost we have done everything. So once this is verified, there are some quiz that we need to do to get your, so yep, the badge is completed. So I'm going to return to the trail now. All that, so we have completed all the projects here, right? So whatever is there, I have completed this in my other using other account. But once you complete this, so I will pause for a minute and I will complete this modules because I have already done, I know the stuff, but you need to go through each module, read them and complete that. So I will be back soon. So once you have completed all these modules, please go through it and you know, clear those quizzes once you complete all those stuff here. So this is what we have done, get hands-on with Agentforce and all this stuff. So these are the two things that has hands-on, rest of the things are the modules. Once you complete all of them, then you can achieve this status, big you know, become an Agentforce champion. So if I go back here, so I am a champion already here. This is another account of mine, so I have completed innovator as well. So this is how you need to you know, move into the next level like Agentforce Innovator. I hope you these videos are helpful. If these are like really slow, please try to forward it, or increase your playback speed. We will see with the next level, that is like Agentforce Innovator. Hope you like it, and please don't forget to subscribe the channel.